Hey guys, what's up? It's been a while. So, for many of you guys may know that I have not been streaming the last while. There's a lot of reasons for this. One, I am very, very tired today. I've had a lot of things to kind of think about, a lot of things that I'm gonna go ahead and do. One thing is that I actually just, oh, why is my mic all the way up here? So one thing that that I've been trying to go ahead and get a hold of is I just applied for another job that is going to cause me to work 12 hours a day, which means streaming is probably not going to be a thing. So this includes having to make videos that are going to be very, very short video clips, probably talking about something like this. If you guys have anything that you guys would like to see as a video, let me know. Comment down below and give me some ideas. I will not be on Discord. I will not be on really anything for quite some time. The times that I will be on Discord, I will just be basically uploading a link for a video like this or anything else that might include something to do with the channel. But other than that, I will not be on Discord itself. I'm going to be busy going out and trying to get some stuff done. Obviously trying to get this job. But yeah, this job is going to require me to work from 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. or 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. So I'm going to be very, very exhausted at just about all the time. So if we're gonna make videos, it's gotta be something short, sweet, and straight to the point for you guys. Maybe something entertaining, like I was thinking getting the audio on my desktop to feed back through my headset, so that way I would be hearing my own voice, which would cause me to stutter and shamble over my own words. Shamble. But yeah, stuff like that. If you guys have any ideas that you guys would like to see here on the channel, do let me know, and I will do my best to go ahead and put that kind of stuff out there. Just anything that'll anything that'll make you guys laugh, make you guys have a good time, anything like that, and just produce something that we can all watch and hang out and talk about later. But until then, I've got a lot of things that I really, really need to start working on and getting to be a part of. I've still done the whole China job application. I've done jobs. Applications here in town, and I'm basically just looking out for anything that I can find that isn't customer related. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, make sure you guys put them down in the comment down below. Comments. Put them in the comments down below. Thank you guys for understanding. I love you guys. Take it easy, stay beautiful, and as always, stay reckless.